Jeez, they weren't kidding about these being hard to break. What the heck? Christmas came and brought the beef. Oh my god, these tires are so nice looking compared to that. I don't know who in Honda's engineering department decided that was a good tire. I don't know. But we're gonna fix that up. We got about an inch of tread depth. big meats on the back, and you know, normal ones for the front. These are actually the same exact size for this. They're the Sunf Power. It's basically like a Maxxis Bighorn, but like a third of the price. So, you know, they got pretty good reviews, so I think they'll be okay. We're gonna see if we can do it ourselves here. These seem pretty stiff, so it might be a bit of a chore, but I got 4 new tires, 4 new valves, and we're going to try and tackle this job ourselves. So let's get started. I think I'm going to start with the front right here. Yeah, so let's get to it. Alright, diving into number 1. I'm going to let all the air out, and supposedly it's pretty hard to break the bead on these, so hopefully I can just stand on it and the bead pops off. And then we'll start fighting to get this thing off. We called in the backup.
We're here.
We're at an actual shop. We gave up. The running over it with the car technique wasn't working. Nothing.
Hold on, guys. We have a customer.
Oh yeah, we got to take care of it.
I got to deal with the customer.
Just kidding. But we're gonna use the tire machine to do these. So let's get over to the tire machine and finally get the Sunfs mounted. Sunf. Literally like it's nothing. Yeah. Like it's absolutely nothing. Yeah, it was comical how quick that bead just like popped right off.
Vinny, you look bald in this lighting.
I do. soon enough, I'm gonna be.
Alright, is this gonna work better, you think?
I don't know.
Oh,
So that's
yeah.
Look at that.
Dude, like butter, man.
So remember,
like
we gotta
butter.
go upside down next time.
Alright, are you gonna let me do one of these?
Yeah, you do next one.
Yeah.
Yes! Dun-dun-dun.
Yeah!
Just an FYI, Vinny's
What a
not
piece of
bald.
I'm legally blind.
I can see.
Barely.
My foot's proud.
His hand is totally numb.
We need some Creole. Actually, this shit does look really good. Lubrication, children.
Learn it, live it, love it.
Look
Look at that. Look at that.
at this guy.
Look at that.
Dude, those went on right.
Creole, I'm telling you. Shit works awesome.
Funny.
One down.
Yeah, they take 2.8 pounds of pressure.
2.8.
2 pounds?
Yeah.
Really?
0.8. Don't forget the 0.8. Who says
like
size doesn't matter?
Yeah, definitely a little bigger. But
Size
hey,
definitely does matter.
it'll work.
Yep.
And they're aggressive as hell.
Monster truck tire.
Yeah, it's a lot more square too, which is kind of nice because more of the tire will contact the ground. So
Yes.
it should get all the traction.
Let's see if Ryan can do it.
Wow. That was aggressive. It's like I know what I'm doing. Oh, the wheel popped out?
Newbie.
Now I put myself in a predicament.
Yeah.
Clean.
Very nice. That's it.
Look at that. Look at you go.
Dude, not too bad, man.
Very nice.
Nice. Now, how does this work?
Let's see if he can get it this time.
Very nice.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow, it's got like 30 pounds in it. It's about to burst.
So, Mr. Ryan,
You know, I feel pretty good about it. I feel like I did alright.
post-game interview. What do you think?
Did very nice for his first time.
I think he did
Way
it too
different from a
slow.
bike tire.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I think he did it too slow.
Fun fact, I've actually never changed a bike tire.
See?
It is a very fun fact.
Similar process, just
Never done it.
everything is flexible enough that you can roll it on with your hands.
Oh, okay.
Although, it does, like it's tight. It's not like it just flops right on. But you definitely don't need a machine.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Sunf.
What'd you say?
Sunf.
What'd you say to me? It's gonna look like a clown quad.
Oh, there's a clown driving it.
Because the rears are gonna be huge and the fronts are small.
Yeah.
So
Well, I guess the fronts really don't matter how big it is. You're only rear wheel.
yeah, I mean they're like the same size, but like if you look at this part, they're smaller, and the rears are like significantly bigger.
Got them all on there.
They look good.
Well done.
These are a little bigger than stock, even though they're advertised as stock. These are a little bit smaller than stock, even though they were supposed to be stock. So I may have oversized fronts incoming, but we'll see how they look on the quad, or I'll just leave it.
Soon we'll see them on
Yeah,
the quad.
Clown quad.
Yeah,
Clown quad.
I don't think it'll look too funny. We'll see. I mean, whatever. If it does, it does.
Yeah, I don't
Look at
think
that
it will.
Mustang. Ooh.
It'll still function either way. So
Yeah. They look good though.
yeah.
I like them.
Oh baby, this thing is full-blown beefy. Look at that. They all look great. They all fit, no problem. Fronts too. Everything looks good. The only thing I need to adjust is this tire here hits the inner fender. You can see in there. I need to adjust the tie rod. I hit a big stump and I tweaked something in here, and now this wheel kind of like is towed out, so I needed to adjust that anyway. So that's the last little thing we'll do, and then the tire job is complete. Oh, look at that. It looks mean with these things, especially in the back. Man, they have so much tread. Well, it'll be a good test. We'll have to keep reporting on these, and I'll let you guys know how they are, because they're way cheaper than Maxxis Bighorn, and that's kind of what they're a copy of. So let's get to adjusting the steering in front, and we'll call it done. So just in case you guys haven't seen tie rods at work before, here's your tie rod, okay, and one side is reverse threaded, so when you thread it one way, it lengthens both sides. So if you look closely, you'll see, I turn the tie rod and the tire turns, see, ever so slightly. So that's kind of how you align your steering. So you put your bars straight, and then you'd want to kind of just look. You can see that one's like perfectly straight. This one is still towed a little bit out. So you just kind of keep turning. Don't worry about it being super exact. I'm sure there's some people out there that spend hours and hours aligning their quad perfectly, but ultimately these are only really ridden off-road, and when you're off-road, alignment really is not that important, not like a car. So just eyeball it, and that is usually good enough. Also, just make sure when you're done that you lock these jam nuts down on both ends. Definitely don't want to leave those loose. That's the last thing. But I'm going to finish this up and then we'll get this on the ground. Well guys, that is a wrap on the new shoes on the Rancher 350. Man, do they look good. This quad has always been fresh, but the new tires really make it look good now. So I will give you guys a little review on these as I use them more. But till next time guys, remember, keep wrenching, keep ripping. We'll see you guys next time.